Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today is Thursday, August 27th, 2026. And it's been about 24 hours on the Mitsubishi Minicab. And you can see here where the phosphoric acid on that surface rust, it turned it black. And that is now what's called ferric phosphate. And you can see everywhere. That's the surface rust. We also put it on there, and it turns it black. So that is no longer rust, surface rust there. That is now ferric phosphate. And that, similarly, is black. I don't know if you can see that. This is underneath the bed. So that is ferric phosphate. And I think we also put it on here. Yep, see how that's, I don't know if you can see that that is black or not, but that is black. And that was surface rust right there. It's just a bare piece of metal on that drive shaft ring. Now I also put it on another test piece because, Lucas Dog, to your point, I needed to use the rest of the phosphoric acid. And Lucas Dog made a great suggestion, and I appreciate that. In the comments, he said it might be better to spritz it on with a spray bottle, so you don't waste it. But look at this. This was surface rust too here, and you can see it's a little white powdery, but all of the former rust has turned black, and that's now ferric phosphate. And there was surface rust there and there, so that is no longer rust. And I even put it here also, and I put it here, and I put it on this as well. So that can now be painted, and that is an excellent way to stop the rust so that it does not continue to progress. But you don't want to just leave it like that. You want to go ahead and paint it with a good quality Valspar or something like that. My flashlight fell. All right, guys. Well, that concludes part 2 of the phosphoric acid. Thank you for watching our video.